Oh, nice. I think this is working. Check this out. Let's see. Nice. Lovely. Never done this before. Okay, so a little overview of what I've done, what I'm doing. All I'm doing is taking my Aura ring. You can't see my face, can you? Let me add my face here. My face. Come on. There we go. Okay. Oh, now you can only see my face, huh? That's kind of cool. Okay. Now you can see my face. Let's put me down in the bottom right. Seems like a good spot. So I'm connecting this Aura ring. This tracks my data, my sleep cycles, all that stuff. So I'm connecting the data from that, which you can see how shitty my sleep is. So I'm going to connect that to my Google Nest that I just installed. It's the 3rd generation learning thermostat. So yeah, basically I'm doing it in Go, kind of just messing around and seeing if I can get it from me personally first. I haven't done anything really here. I'll show you what I've done before I thought of the idea to stream. I started with service.go, which has literally nothing in it. Let's see, ENV has my personal access token for Aura, so I'm not going to show you that. I created some folders, tasks, which is going to run a few tasks for me that basically grabs my data, and then also writes to the Nest thermostat to regulate the temperature based on my sleep schedule. Let's see, in the API, I just messed around a bit with Aura to see how easy it was to get the sleep data, which is super easy. But you can only get it once a day. You can get as much as you want, but the data only collects once a day. So it's like a daily sleep data, which is fine. It has my sleep schedule still and my sleep stages and whatnot. Let's see, for the models, I'm just making my data structure. I haven't really gone too far into it. We have the house, which is going to, because if we want to connect multiple people in the future, they're going to have a home house, which is going to have the base thermostat, and also I have temperature sensors across the house in different rooms. So a room is going to belong to a house, and you can have multiple rooms, and then you can have primary rooms. So again, I haven't built out these structures yet, but we'll get there. Occupants belong to a home or to a house, and also can have their primary room, and they can be a primary occupant as well. Let's say primary occupant. Well, no, actually, that should probably be on house. We'll figure that out later. Schedule. This is going to be something for, basically what I want to do is be able to set my ideal schedule, and then have it reconcile my sleep data. And so it will slowly ease me from the sleep schedule I'm currently in back into my desired sleep schedule. Or the other option too is to add something where if I'm switching time zones, if I'm going to go travel, it can switch it'll slowly ease me to a new sleep schedule, like, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes a day. It'll ease me backwards, but that's a later issue. First, I'm just going to start by optimizing for probably like my last week's sleep data. I think what I decide I'm going to do is an hour before bed. The first thing I'm going to do is an hour before bed on my average, nighttime, like the time I fall asleep on average. About an hour and a half before that, I'm going to start cooling down my room. I'm going to cool it down to, I think probably between 65 and 67 degrees. And then at the average time that I hit my second REM cycle is when I'm going to start heating it up and slowly heat it up on the middle floor here, I live in a townhouse that is 3 floors. So I work on the middle floor, and then my room is on the top floor. And so it gets significantly hotter upstairs than it does downstairs. So I'll slowly heat up the upstairs after my second REM cycle, and then about an hour, hour and a half before I wake up, I'll switch the primary room sensor to the downstairs, and I'll start heating up the downstairs to my ideal temperature for when I'm awake. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do first, so we'll see how it goes. But again, I haven't actually done anything yet. I've installed GoRM, created like a couple fields in the models, and I thought, hey, I should stream this. Basically it. So I think maybe I just keep going. Nothing too exciting. Except I can't keep this chat up in case anyone ever joins and chats. But no, we'll see. Okay. Let's. Oh, nice. There we go. Okay. And whenever I go to private keys, I'm going to switch screens so you can't see my private keys. I think that's probably a good idea. Don't want you updating my thermostat. So for a house, we're going to need a name. I don't really think we need an address at this point. I'm probably going to need some creds for the nest. Let's see. Yeah, but for now, this is fine. GoRM adds ID. Like if you add gorm.model to the struct, it'll add ID, created at, updated at, deleted at. This is fine for now. We'll go back and add more fields as we need. Occupant, we have first name, last name, primary room ID, and then they also have their ID as well. Let's see. So room, we're going to have, this should probably just be name, and then I don't even need this JSON because I'm probably going to do some weird response structure. Name. Let's see. It's going to need some sort of temperature sensor, but I'm not sure how the Nest API works for that. So we're going to figure this all out later as well. Rooms will have names for now. Schedule, I'm going to literally put nothing in here for now because this is a much later issue. Actually, I might just ditch this at the moment. I really don't need this. Actually, yeah, I'll add that later if I need it. Sleep is where I'm going to grab the relevant sleep data. So let's say sleep the model represents 1 night of relevant sleep data for an occupant. So this is basically going to be a mapping from Aura. So we're just going to store all the sleep data so we can have it stored retroactively on our own. So yeah, let's start. I already have my key in there. Let's see. I want to run a task. Let's see. I'm trying to think how often I want to run this task because I want to grab the data. So I'm going to manually retroactively grab all this data. I'm probably going to run it like at noon every day. So let's say get multiple sleep documents. I only need to get one sleep document, but I actually don't want to do multiple and import when a user first signs up. So that's fine. I'll keep this for now. This looks horribly ugly. Let's find a better structure to do this. I haven't written in something like this in a while. No, what's a good way of doing this? I think that I'm going to throw this in ChatGPT and have it come up with a general response structure. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a GitHub repository I have from the past. I'm going to look at how we do some API stuff that we call it integrations. That's right. Integrations. Let's see. We'll use this one's fine. So I just want to look and see what we do here. So we have models. That's fine. So we define a models package. We have all of the structs for. That's fine. So let's do that first. Well, we can just do models file. That's fine. We really don't need anything more than that. Handlers is wrong. Still know that. API. API.go. Let's see. So let's create a type API client. Let's see. It would be nice to feed it to context. So let's see. I'm going to open this code base in VS Code on my other screen. You guys probably shouldn't see too much of this, but I'm going to open it up. Let's check out. Yeah, let's look at. This is not like important stuff, but all right, let's do this. Let's start with I'm gonna leave. All right. I would like to use. Let's see. Convert to. Or let's add it to do. Convert env in util to go.env package. That's fine. I just got a notification from Aura. Probably gonna tell me to go to sleep. Yeah, so I'm gonna split this into multiple streams, but let's start with this for now. And then let's say context is equal to context.background, and then we'll go context equal to, we're gonna define a new, oh, we already have the util package, till dot, let's say context with that's an interesting way of doing that. Context was, that's fine. Okay, so let's say this actually isn't going to come from util then. We're gonna go ahead and say Aura. It's just called Aura? Yeah, Aura, nice. So we're gonna go Aura dot, let's call it context with Aura. Let's not do that actually. You know what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna have some things in context, so I'm gonna keep that for now, but we're probably gonna get rid of it in the future. Let's go to occupant. I'm gonna move this over to my other screen so I can check out something. I'm gonna close that as well. In that, I'm gonna check out. Let's see, my env. Okay, so we'll call it Aura access token. That's fine. So let's go into occupant. Let's say Aura. This is kind of outgoing stuff, so I'll make a new block here. Aura access token. Let's call it a. Let's make it a pointer to a string, because it doesn't actually need it at the moment. I can get rid of these because again I'm going to do my own response structure. Or if I do decide not to do that, I like having my own response package. I'm going to see if I can find any clean response packages. That'd be nice. So let's see. I'm going to just create. I like doing my. Let's see. I like doing my functions for the data layer like this. So I usually have like a little heading here, and then I have, well, I'll say, so insert occupant, for example, input. So I do the function name, which is going to be insert occupant, obviously, and then input, and then it usually is the input type for insert occupant. Perfect. So let's say type insert occupant input. Yeah, first name is going to be, and I also went and got a validator package. So I think, I'm not sure how to use this actually. I've never used it. And then look, acquired. I'll move this up here actually. Well, here, I'll move it. Here we go. Move that over for you. So you can see this. Let's see. So this is the validator. We already went and got it. Array equals validate.struct. It's fine. Validate. Where do you get to validate? Is that just the package name? Doesn't seem right. Let's create the struct first. Let's see, required. All right, let's just call it required. Right. Description tag. Okay, that's the tag. All right, I see. Okay, required. Last name should also be required. And then I also want this to be okay, that's right. I've seen a couple people use this before, so I've used it very briefly recently in a project. So let's see. I think that's fine. Yeah, I think that's fine for those. Let's use primary room ID. I'm gonna go validate emit empty. That's good, and we'll call this numeric. But I don't think that's even. I don't think I need that. Let me check though. I'll keep it just in case. It might be helpful. Alphanumeric, numeric Unicode. No, numeric. That's fine. I don't really know. Between numeric and number. Numbers and okay. Okay, that's fine. I don't really understand what's the difference between those two, but whatever. Fine, we'll keep it as numeric. Doesn't like that. Tag get bad syntax for struct tag value. For numeric, not compatible. What if I could put number? Oh, maybe I need to do this. Maybe an idiot. Oh, yeah. Nice. Let's see. And then, I could just, whatever. Nice, okay. I'll change this back to numeric. It's fine. We'll also allow our access token mid empty. Yeah, that's fine. Because in case, well, yeah, that's fine. For now, we're gonna use Aura. The other option too is later we might switch to Apple Data just so that it's more flexible. But let's do this for now. We might have to give the option of Apple Data or Aura. Yeah, this is fine. Then let's create occupant. I'm gonna add the DB to context. Always gotta look back at old shit that I wrote or worked with in order to figure out the database. Let's use Postgres.go package models. Let's look what I've done. This is what I usually do. It works well. So. Let's see. We'll do a func UDB. This is partly copying, actually fully copying basically from past programs. What's up?
Hi, Brady.
I'm streaming.
What do you mean you're streaming?
I mean, I'm streaming live. Say hi.
To who? Who
To
exactly?
YouTube.
And is anyone watching?
No.
Oh,
I do have.
what are you
I
doing?
don't know. I'm just building this, and I'm gonna stream it and then post the video afterwards. Got a problem with it?
No, but what is it?
I'm connecting my ring to the thermal finally,
Oh.
but I'm copying our past code bases for the models and Postgres stuff.
Oh.
Look at these tiny cute little ones I made.
Hey, do you know how to set up the env for Go? I haven't set that up before.
They're kind of hard.
Yeah, you just make a .env.
Well, I know that, but I'm saying, but like the package.
It's a generic Go one. It's called
That's what I
OS
suspected.
Dot get env, I
I gotta create a new.
Sorry.
think. Just actually ChatGPT.
Where are you making cookies?
Cool.
Made a good $2.
Sorry, I didn't know what I was supposed to say. Let's see. I don't really want a logger right now.
I put a big burst.
So let's see. I'm gonna say debug.
I love
I'm gonna skip all this crap because I'm gonna go back and rebuild this at some point anyway. So this is just like a really rough draft. Let's see. We're gonna knit it with Golang.
Huh? You have friends now?
Told you I'm streaming,
To who?
but I'm making it into a video. So it's gonna be like a. I'm
Were
just
you making the video?
yeah. I'm just.
Say
I'm
Say
gonna.
hi.
It's gonna end up being hours uploaded to YouTube of me just building this. I'm gonna stream the whole thing.
That's cool.
I mean, there's no point not to. By the way, full disclosure, this entire idea came from the book Why We Sleep. It was literally in the book. And I haven't been able, 4 or 5 years after it's written, I haven't been able to find anybody who's actually done this. Or anything at least commercially available. So decided to build it myself. But it literally said in the book that the technology was going to be available and someone was going to do it. And I haven't been able to find anyone. So full disclosure.
Time for ranch.
Ooh, I don't know if I'd eat that ranch. Oh, that ranch is fine. The other ranch is kind of old.
Yo, Sam, dog, where you going? Gotta take a glass. Wait a minute.
I don't need a logger. Should I use logger
So
that?
we could be famous one day, is what I'm hearing.
Well, if all my subscribers watch, you're streaming to about 600 people.
Holy fuck. Tell them, hey.
Brendan says hey to the nobody that's watching.
Can I leave you tips?
What's that?
Can I go stream, watch you, and can I pay you?
Yeah, go ahead, Brendan. It's been 100 days since I uploaded videos. I think I'm losing subscribers, but who knows? I don't even pay attention.
You're too cool to care.
I'm too cool to care. I'm just sharing the info, dog. You're making me go slow. I'm not even thinking now. I'm just talking. Let's see. So gorm.open. Because I need to go get Postgres. Let's see if I can find the Postgres Golang package. No, let's find it here. Oh, I guess I do use the database SQL driver. SQL package. Is the database SQL package built in?
To go?
Yeah.
I think so. We'll go or miss it.
Oh yeah, it is. That makes sense though. Okay.
Does it go good?
GoRM isn't.
It's not.
No.
It tastes okay? Pretty good.
Let's see.
Why do you say it like that?
I'm just glad it tastes good.
Let's. I have to create a new database though. Hey, in our when we launch Docker from our makefile, do we create the database in the makefile, or is it?
Yeah.
It's not done in Go, right? I don't think you could do that. Hate making new databases, dude. It's just a pain.
Docker does it instantly.
Yeah, but I have to go find the Docker file and figure out, or if I could actually remember how to write this crap. Let's see.
Is this funny?
No, dude, it doesn't.
On the website?
Brennan, it doesn't do it.
Oh.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
You're not laughing.
Okay, so let's go ahead and just create a database. Let's see. Let's see. Postgres command line. Create PostgreSQL. Or create database. See if they can. You can create a database using the following. Jesus, I just want the commands. Yeah. Let's see. Create database Postgres. Documentation, create database. I've done this a million times, and I just always forget it. Jesus. Let's see. Creating Postgres command line. I'm searching on my other screen. You can't see all of it. I'll see if I can open this up on the what I'm looking at. No, this is not what I want. Like, I just want to create DB, or is it create database? Do I want to create user first? User. Hey, you mind turning that on just a little bit? No, it's alright.
Saf says she's sorry.
Alright, so let's create a user. Let's call this sudo-u Postgres create user. Call it welcome, or let's call it homebot. So stupid. Okay, that's fine. We'll do sudo-u Postgres create db. We'll call it homebot as well. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Let's see, and then we're gonna go. Whoops. It's because I forgot to put the stupid semicolon. Create user home dashbot. Let's see if this works. Oh, because I'm not even bash. Let's just do create database dashbot. That'll work. Not like that. Nice. Let's say create user homebot. We're not going to do a password for now. Oh, shoot. Homebot, and then okay, we're going to grant all images on database home dashbot to home dashbot. Please say grant. Nice. Okay. it. Let's look at Navicat. Let's take a look at this. That's not relevant. All right. This is going to be in local databases. You show up. Homebot. There she is. That should be empty. Good. Okay. Let's get this set up to start creating stuff. I'm going to set up my env over in my file here with my, let's see, with my Postgres stuff. So support username is going to be home-bot. Homebot. We didn't have a password, so I don't think we need. We can get rid of this line completely, actually. For now, let's just do this as util dot and boom. Util dot. It's not pretty, but it'll do for now. Then let's auto migrate this. Oh, you can't even see that screen that I'm working on, which is good because I just had my env open. So let's see, now you can see this. So I changed that. Let's clear this. Let me look at this. Let me look at another code base here to get an idea of how to set this up. Let's go if error. Nil, return it nil error. Then let's do db dot auto migrate. That's fine. Let's see. Okay. No, what? These are some weird. We'll do house. We'll do occupant. Do room, and we'll do sleep for now. So star. I'd like to make this their own lines. Please stay formatted. That'd be nice. Oops. Nice. Okay. Now, let's check out our different. Okay, that makes sense. What's this? Found packages, house dot packages model. Oh, and model. Sure, let's call it models. I prefer to call this models. Let's rename this to models. Models. Okay, there we go. We need sleep to be defined. Struct. I have some of the data I grabbed from before. I'll just fill in random crap for now. Let's say, for now, let's just do day. Whoops. Let's just do day for now. What was that? Type. It's a string. Nice. String is on day. That's fine. Okay. Let's do that for now. Oh, this should be in Golang, not model as well. I don't really know if I need to grab this data. I could probably just do it from Aura, but this is fine for now. So what do we have? What are our issues? Missing return. Yeah, let's call this out for now. We're going to have to insert that in a second. Could not import. No module provided. See if we even need that. Let's see. I think we can use. We do need that actually. So let's go Don't give me more errors. Don't give me more errors. No required module provides package. There we go. Well. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. That's the return. We want to return a DB. Let's see. All right, this makes sense. Let's see. Let's take a look at how we do this here. So we have, that's a new DB function, right? No. So then what I did, or what we did before in this other program, was we did context with dx. No. Whoops, that's not what we want. That runs a transaction. That is not what we want. Where we put DB from. It's a new util, it's got to be. Context with DB. Where do we define that? We define in context util. That's fine. No, didn't want you to see that. That's all right. I'll do context.go util func context with key, context, and then this is going to be rm.db context, return context with value. Let's do set type context key int. And let's do const db key. See something like this, context key. Cool. So now we're going to do an IOTA. Oops. Yeah, let's do that. And then it's going to be db. I think that should work for now. Yep, and then we're going to have db from context. Let's see, I'm just going to really copy the variables that we used in our other program. Return. No, that's not what we did. I don't know why it's trying to make it so complicated. Could literally just copy and paste this. I don't know why I'm taking so long. Right. Let's
Why the hell did you come up here and say all this? That's what I remember. Like, why did you come up here and say I was like,
check something. I want to see it. Nice. Okay, just want to make sure this is going. Go back here. Let me see what else we do here. Context with DB. Go to references. Service.go. Let's see. So what do we do here? We go service. And you go. Let's create a new DB. So we're going to do database air equals models dot new DB. Oh, why do I have debug? I don't want that for now. It does nothing. This is super simplified. Just want it up and running. Let's see. Yeah, we can just panic it for now. That's fine. I'll come back and fix all this. I'm gonna move this. Let's say set all context. No, I don't need that actually. Stupid comments. Let's see. Let's say I'll say context equal to. I will do util dot context with db. Hopefully this connects. Let's see. For now, let's check and see if it doesn't like that. Is there an error in context? Unexpected. What? Unexpected bracket or expected bracket found const. Oh. That still doesn't work. Let's try that. I don't think that's right. Let's go to. Let's see what we did here. It's an int. Well, I don't know why I did an interface. I thought that was odd. Okay. That's fine. Undeclared names util. Okay. Let's see. That's fine. Let's run this and see. Service go. Should be quick. And let's see if it creates the database. Nice. Lovely. Should be nothing. That's pretty sweet, actually. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I want to import a bunch of sleep data retroactively. So let's let's write a function to get all that sleep data retroactively. So this is kind of what I've written. I think this will just get one sleep. Well, actually, it says get multiple sleep documents. It should get more. Except this function doesn't actually do what it says. So let's take a look at their docs. I'm already authorized in, which is nice. I created my access token and everything. So if you want to do this, you have to do something like that. So let's see. Move this up to this other thing. Let's see. Single sleep document. V2. I don't want a single sleep document. And then I'll get the sleep object up here as well. Come on. Multiple sleep documents. There we go. Okay. So let's see. It comes through as sleep documents. So let's figure out the data that I actually want. I want bedtime. What if I wonder if I could get like average bedtime over the last week. Daily sleep routes. Let's see. Daily sleep. Deep sleep. Timing. Latency. Day. Score. Time stamp. No. Oh, this is just like. Let's see. Session routes. Sleep routes. What's the difference? Daily sleep. Single sleep document. What the fuck? Why do they have daily sleep routes and I guess they're just different. It's weird though. Okay. Let's see. You can't really get complicated with this. Let's take. How far back can I go? What's the rate limit? Well, tell me what the rate limit is. Let's. Do I set a limit? No. What do you think the limit is? Okay, that's fine. So let's just collect as many. We'll just print the length. See how many we can get. What's up, kitty? It's on a tear today. Let's see. I'm going to start. Let's see. The field that I want is going to be bedtime end, bedtime start. Day. I don't know if I want to do sleep duration. Let's keep. I don't think I need sleep duration at the moment. Let's take. Sleep duration. Let's take. Man, you can even go as far as to like, at some point, look at like what nights you got the best deep sleep and like trying your best to optimize for deep sleep or REM sleep. Or that's a long ways away though, but just kind of cool. So we're gonna want sleep phase 5 minutes. Bedtime in, bedtime start, sleep phase 5 minutes. I think that's fine. Yeah, so let's grab those 3 for now. Let's do, or 4, sorry. Yeah. So I'm just gonna say sleep document, bedtime in, bedtime start, day. I don't need latency. Sleep. So I already got a lot of this, which is nice. It shouldn't be a string, should it? Shouldn't be an array of string. Should just be a string. Type, I don't need type. It's just these 4. Let's see, get multiple sleep documents. Response. Actually, I don't need this. I can, for now, I'll handle this in actual function. That'd be funny. Let's see. I need.
How many viewers you got now?
I'm gonna go with 0. Is my guess. No chats. Let me take a look, Brandon. I actually don't know how to tell if anyone's viewing, but I'm gonna go with no.
Too many to count, though.
What's that?
Probably too many to count.
Yeah, it looks like 1 is watching, and I'm pretty sure that's me. So I'm gonna go with no. Oh, that is actually my stream over there. Hey. God, I'm slurring my words. I didn't even realize. It takes a lot of effort to talk well. Aren't you entertained over there?
We are.
Am I looking at the right endpoint? I'm distracted. That's fine. So let's do y'all. Let's see what this does. How this does. I don't even want start time and end time. And now. We're gonna go ahead and like that. Fuck. Oh. Or, oh, that's pretty. Jesus, that's super ugly. Okay. It looks like
Which one?
movement 30 seconds is taken up. Wow, they really do record your movement every 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, not a lot of REM sleep going on here. That's fine. What day was this? Type long sleep, latency, light sleep duration. What is that? Items, interval. That's my. All right. Okay, that's fine. So let's marshal it into. This is such an ugly way to do this. Let's. Um, you mind turning it down just like 2 notches or something? Thanks. Actually, I can put my headphones in. You're good. Let's see. Nice. Okay, I'm connected. Cool. Let's see. I need to. I'm getting really tired. This is not. My brain's not working. Let's see what ChatGPT does because I want it to. No, into an array of sleep documents. No, just be JSON. This is such an ugly function. Let's see how this goes. JSON cannot marshal or dot sleep. Okay. Is it possible this is the problem? Because I just don't think that would be it. No, I didn't think so. I am being such an idiot. How can. Alright, let me look at another way to do this. Uh, let's see. Oh, uh, get sleep. This response. We'll call it that. It's fine. And then we'll just do a ton of this crap later, like commenting and renaming and stuff. Let's see. Uh, Data, I think is what it's called. It looks like. Let's see if that works. Cannot range over sleep dogs. That would make sense. Oh, let's get this right. Why is Come on, please work. Nice, there it is. Okay. Um, okay, so I'll run a task on. I can either run on a cron or I can subscribe to a webhook. But let me check and see. I want to get the next token, I think. So this is a single. You know what's funny is the multiple actually is a single, which isn't very helpful, but uh, guess I can do. I guess I do need to add the start date. The start date is yeah, it's just gonna be manual, like time dot now dot add. What's the format for this? Uh, date. Okay, let's. I can just like type in start date equals. Let's find 2020. I think I got this in like sometime in 2022, maybe 2023. Let's just make this October 10th. Like that. Let's get a ton of them. Nice. Time. So, it's quite a number of them. Yes, looks like I probably started getting it here. Looks like probably where I got it. And then, nice. Whew, whew. There's some really bad ones in here. Um, really good ones too. Let's take a look at, let's say, the last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do the last 2 weeks. 11, 12, 13, 14. So 805. That's not right. Because today, let's just do since the beginning of August, because today's the 14th. We'll see. This, oh, it's because there's naps and stuff too. Uh, I want to get type as well, because I think it might tell me if there's a nap, if it's a nap or something. Let's see. Type sleep, long sleep. So I really only want to see long sleeps because the other ones are naps. So can I just filter by that? No. So I'm just gonna filter by that in. That's fine. I'm honestly just gonna keep this as is. Uh, and I'm just gonna make it extremely ugly for the moment. And again, fix it later. Uh, this is I'm just importing my data from the last week. It's fine. So let's do that. Uh, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go into models. Let's see. I need to create an occupant, which needs to have a. It's going to require a house ID as well. So let's create house then. So we have the house. That's fine. So let's let's insert an occupant. All the input. So that's right. Not 100% sure, but yeah. Let's do this. at something else really quick. Let's go to ref. I'm just looking through to find something. Oh, it's great. I'm gonna steal this whole file. Nice. I'm gonna call this HP. I'm literally just stealing this from my other code base. Let's take this. New. I'm gonna take these. We don't need these. That's fine. Which means I don't even do this, but we'll do this. Let's fix the issue. There we go. Uh, and I think I need to call this a service. Yes, I do. So we go to service. Um, why not? I'll call it literally the exact same thing again. So there's all the setting context, and we'll call it uh, startup functions till dot mint validator. Cool. So that should work. And then we go to occupant. We should be able to go to util dot validate. All right. If I go to validator, okay, should work. Come on, util. Come on. Oh, let me just do a for now. Come on. Okay, whatever. Um, I don't know what. I don't know why it doesn't like this. That was bizarre. Because I spelled this wrong. I don't know. Okay, so that'll validate it. Let's say occupant, first name, last name, house. House ID is going to be required. And or access token is also going to be required. Let's see. House ID. Struct. Oh, haha. That would be why. Rent. I'm also going to go. That should be house relations. So let's go ahead and use Golang to insert. Actually, I'll keep the comment there. Why not? Uh, Aaron's like nil. Return nil error. From. Jeez. Um, yeah, Copilot is on today. It's stupid. And then let's return occupant. No, redirect. They're running go mod tidy. let's see. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and run a models dot insert occupant context models dot insert occupant input. I'm just gonna manually enter myself here. Name Brady. Let's see. I don't need an email. I need to do a house one as too. So let's do that first. All right. All right. I'm gonna be right back. He's batting at your cookies.
What?
He's batting at your cookies.
Oh my god.
Have one?
Yeah, of course.
Or half of one maybe?
Of course. Sorry, they're kind of big.
Huh?
Sorry, they're kind of big.
Yeah, they're good. They're definitely not undercooked.
No.
They're good though. Thank you. I heard you've been blaming me for the shit your cat broke, by the way.
What?
Stop that, Katie. That was good timing. Hey, no. Like when he pissed on the bed. I swear it wasn't me.
You just didn't get cleaned up.
Well, I didn't know about it. I never go down there. Unless it was me who pissed on the bed. Alright, we return. My CBD gummy worms. And a really annoying cat. Okay, let's see. Right, insert house type. Input. Stop. Can you? Can you see me? I think. Oh, sure, it's fuzzy. Okay, man, I'm tired. Let's see if I remembered this right. Is validate. Okay. Good gummy worms. See. All right. This is wrong. This is horribly wrong. Dot struct input. Let's see. Is that right? Uh, yeah. I can. I'll move this up though. Let it create the house. Good. And create the house. Nicely done. Context with context. Oh, what am I thinking? I'm relying too much on GitHub Copilot at the moment, especially when I'm tired of making mistakes. So let's first. This is just gonna literally be something I delete in a second. Hi, Kitty. Uh, let's go with house there. House name. I've got a street called Mont Blanc. Lots of streets named Mont Blanc. Let's call the house Mont Blanc. Let's see. What else do we need? House ID. House ID. Nice. Okay. And then uh, or is util or access token. Oh, you see it again. It doesn't matter. No one wants my data. String. Huh? Huh? Not indirect. Okay. Whatever. I'm gonna do things. String that go. Package to function. No, pointer. Uh, let's do that. That's fine. It wasn't the right way to do it, but it'll work for now. Okay. Yes. What's our issue? Let's return. Yeah, that's gonna be an issue. On service.go. I actually don't care if you see my token. Now account. Make sure we have our house. Nice. Documents. Lovely, there I am. Uh, cool. So let's design a sleep then. It's going to be a day. We're going to have occupant ID. Really all we need. Occupant ID. Let's see. I'm going to move this up because these are kind of like data layer specific associations. I smell something like a candle. Yeah, it went out. Let's see, RM model, occupant ID. I think that's fine. And then the sleep document data. Day, bedtime, start. Uh, I want to do this time dot time. Oh, date. I was going to chat GPT. Date without time. Let's see, a date without time. Um, PostgreSQL. ORM. Example. Okay, can we just use a date? Oh, okay. Who knows? Let's hope it's not hallucinating. Right. Let's call this, oh yeah. We don't need to specify that there, but we do need to specify this here. Actually, I don't need midday. What am I thinking? Bedtime start. Which means I don't need, well, what is the bedtime start? Yeah, it comes through with the date and everything. Great, let's keep it as is then. Can I come through it? Can I set it as time, not time? It's a real question. Time, get rid of this. And then if I go to service, I'll get rid of these. Excuse me. Oops. Let's go with, I just want to print line right now. Let's do that for now. Oh, it's going to be documents, not data. Let's do that. See what it comes up with. So I found the times. Yeah, it's fine with the times then. But this doesn't sound. This doesn't look right. There's no way those are my time. 4:16. That's the time I woke up this morning. Bedtime end. Yeah, bedtime end comes first. So I'm gonna move this just for sake of sanity here. Considering I'm sure it's 10:30 p.m. and I woke up at 4:15 a.m. this morning. Probably best I get sleep soon. I also have to be at court in 9 in the morning for a speeding ticket. We're not going out right now. God damn cat, man. This is fine then. What was this? I hate this API function the way I wrote it, but I don't want to spend time fixing it right now. Okay. Let's import these long sleeps. Again, I just want to do this once retroactively. Um, so let's go to models, sleep.go, insert sleep. Let's call it type. Sleep, not request. Man, you'd think it would learn by now. Sleep input, struct. Code is so ugly. Occupant ID. It's required. We want a bedtime end as well. Time.time. We want uh, sleep. I'm fine with sleep phase 5 minutes. Like, let's just keep it as is. Yeah, sleep phase 5 minutes. It's totally fine. It should be actually a string, which is super annoying, but uh, it is what it is. We can store it as a string. That's fine. We'll be inefficient, at least at first, and that's okay. Let's then do bedtime start, bedtime end, sleep phase 5 minutes, and we have to insert all those because we want those all to be inserted. Type insert sleep output. I don't need that for now. Let's go. Let's add our functions. Our comments so that shows up as documentation. Oh, oh, I'm not being very smart. We don't need JSON stuff. Actually, it's gonna have any user facing anything at first. Not that that's anything. Not that JSON is the only, or not the user facing is the only thing JSON's used for. But let's see if we can go to validator. Time, time, time. Oh, I don't need to put anything here. I don't think because there's no. It already knows the type. Validate required, and this is also going to be validate required. Format strings. I'm gonna go with, I think alphanumeric is the only one. Not one. Oh, I see. Okay, kind of understand this now. The numeric. Let's do that for now. Okay, and then let's go to service, and I'm going to say, what's my user ID? And my occupant ID is 1. So models insert sleep context models dot insert sleep input. I'm gonna say occupant ID 1. That's fine. And then let's say bedtime start document dot yeah yeah document dot bedtime start and then not awake. What was the last one? Sleep phase 5 minutes. That's right. Just roll with that. I like that. Huh. That's because I'm being an idiot again. This is a very common occurrence, especially at night. Context. All right, this should insert them all. Nice. Okay, lovely. We have our sleeps, but I don't need the days. This is old. This is from the old data structure. Delete. Uh, these all stay. I'm gonna save. I'll make a mock data thing. Like, honestly, it'd be nice to. I should probably create a mock data package. That'd be so useful for people. There's got to be one out there, right? Or mock data package. Excuse me. It's called C data. Or, huh. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to manually create C data at the moment. I'm fine with what I have. Okay, so now delete this, and I can also delete this. So I kind of want to do this so it works for tonight, but I'm not going to be able to do the connection to the thing yet. Let's see. Let's look at the Nest API. Figure out Nest API thermostat API. Not supported. That's fine. Let's see. Looks like all Git stuff. Nice. Okay, I can write here. Then honestly rather just have a set temperature. Okay, so what's an API Explorer? Oh no, it's not. It's just a horrible reference to be honest. Gummy worms are good. Okay, let's look at this. What a useless string. Um, oh, it's a structure ID. Not temperature set high low. I'm gonna hard code stuff for now. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's look at the other thing we have to look at is room device. Okay, so let's first figure out a way to determine schedule. Whew. All right, let's say set temperature schedule. I'll go package tasks, and we're gonna go func set temperature schedule. We're gonna feed in for now nothing. Well, except for context. You always be in context. Guess we need it. But other than that, we're just gonna manually set determine it from mine for now. So let's go to parent parent like C. Perfect. Let's say models get occupant, get context, and get occupant input. The ID is going to be set to 1 for now. Okay, if error. Let me go ahead and print the document really quick. It's gonna be so ugly. Oh, let's go ahead and run tasks. This is again not gonna go tasks dot temperature schedule. Well, that would be why. Let me get rid of that so it doesn't run currently. Great. This just lets us develop. And then, so let's say first determine time to start. Okay, desired. Let's set a few variables. Desired cold, temperature, Fahrenheit. I want this to be 65. I like it cold. I'm gonna have a desired. No, let's say. Well, see, here's the thing. I'm trying to figure out. Let's have a conversation with ChatGPT. Let's During these stages, you are sensitive to temperature or sensory. Most restorative stages. Yeah. Sleep cycle. Heating to start during the last 1 or 2 REM cycles. So let's start it. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Looking at my sleeps, I'm pretty sure if I can go back to Aura, let's see. Okay, let me look again. This might be hymnogram. Character features. Yeah, this is the old version of the API. Bedtime 1. deep. So let's see. One is deep. Deep. Two is light. Three is REM. Four is awake. Awake, awake, awake. I went straight from awake to light. Yeah, light, then deep, 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 awake. This is follows a pretty similar pattern. Wake, light, a little bit of REM, just a tiny bit of REM here, but then I really don't see a lot of REM until these parts in the later bit of the night here. So let's say, looking at these, it doesn't track my REM sleep very much, or I don't get a lot of REM sleep. So what I'm going to do, for me, I'm going to take a concatenation of two threes or more. Let's write this down. Concatenation, two threes or more is equal to REM cycle. Let's do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, let's see, begin heating house on main floor with priority main floor at, at beginning of second to last REM cycle. Calculated average time day from last week. Say begin cooling house 1.5 hours prior to bedtime, averaged over last week. That's fine. Um, hard coded for now. Desired cold temperature. This is horrible variable naming, but let's roll with it. Maybe not horrible, but desired warm temperature in the morning, Fahrenheit. I'm gonna have it set to 72. I'm just gonna set them like straight up. Um, let's do that. So first I need basically, let's see. Let me see. I want to calculate. Oh, I'm so tired. Let's see. All right, so let's go to occupant. Let's say run. I'd like to do methods on. Shoot, I'm an idiot. Shit. Okay. Let me do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna drop all long sleep or all sleeps and delete the fucking table. Drop the cascade. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm going to go back to Visual Studio. Is it like this? That's fine. I'm just going to comment all this out for now, and then that's fine. Okay, I'm going to go back to service, and I'm going to go ahead and run sleep documents output. That is equal to air equal to API dot get it's aura dot get multiple sleep documents. Do I even feed context in? I probably should, but I'm not going to right now. And then for this document, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do models data dot create. No, it's gonna be insert sleep input, and then it's gonna be insert sleep. I don't need that. Models, then insert sleep input. No, it's gonna be what we need here. Occupant ID, and then bedtime start, and non-wake duration, sleep phase 5 minutes. And I'm only going to do this if sleep document dot type not equal long underscore sleep. Continue. That's not an operator. Now we should only get long sleeps. Hopefully. Sleeps. Let's see. Pop up. Nice. Only long sleeps. Lovely. That's what we're looking for. Delete all this for now. Okay. I can go back to temperature schedule. Hard coded for now. Okay. I'll go occupant get sleeps. I don't know if I'll figure that out. It figures it out. Yo, let's go. It's good. Okay, I need to figure out better air handling for this. This is just such a mess thrown together. But I want to get this up fast. So let's see. What I'm actually going to do, I actually don't want to do this. I'm going to get rid of this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to sleep. And I'm going to have a, oops, At the top here, I'll have a list sleeps function. I kind of prefer this. Uh, there's going to be optional input here. We don't need a JSON. We can do validate though. Validate. That doesn't need to be required. I'm going to do that on the task side. Let's say it'd be after. And then what I'll do is we'll sleeps. I'm gonna do bedtime.end. I prefer bedtime.end. Nice. That's fine. I would normally set limits and whatnot, but I don't really care honestly. Let's see. Okay. Well, uh, occupants. Occupant sleeps last week. Okay, so type occupant one, and let's say after date. That's gonna be a list. Let's see. No, fuck this. I don't need this. I'm gonna watch my language on here. Let's say bool. No, I need an int.go package until say int pointer. And then we're also gonna have a time.go package. Okay. Time pointer. That's weird. Really bizarre. I wonder if there's anything to just name. So they didn't put the package there, huh? Really? Am I being an idiot? I'm so confused. It's weird. That's bizarre. Let me just close the thing. That's really weird. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I don't really know what to think about that, but whatever. Okay, so now let's go here. This is probably such a bad way of doing this, but I don't care. Till that end pointer. Doesn't like that. Uint. Uh, u, uint. Do. Uint pointer. Fine. Let's do that. See what it comes up with. Right. Uh, good. Okay, so I think ChatGPT will come up with something good. Start with bedtime. Start an array of those strings. Can I find the average bedtime? Start. Oh, it's just gonna literally do it manually. Oh, okay. I guess we're just doing it manually then. Oh, actually, 50 phone. Then. Okay. Kind of knowing how it sets a seed date and everything. I'm just trying to. I don't need anything that's specific. I guess I could do that. That's fine. Just want to average time of day. I'm just gonna do average since Unix since 1970. What? This would work actually. This will work. Let's do this for now. Start. Might make more sense to do the median actually. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Let's just do this for now. Yeah, this is fine. And then average bedtime at 7:22. That's not right. I haven't gone. If I look at my sleep schedule, it's not right at all. There must have been a long nap. Oh, good nap I had. Let's see. Bedtime starts late, late, late. Oh, why? Because, okay, I go to bed past midnight. me the midnight threshold. Let's say I say noon should be the cutoff. So what if we just subtracted 12 hours? I just subtracted 12 hours and added 12 hours back. Oh, that's fine actually. It's better than what I was thinking. That was better than I was thinking actually. Now let's see what we got. There we go. 11:30. That's more like it. Um, yeah, I mean 6 is fine. That's a good assumption. Thank you, ChatGPT, for being useful. I used to be able to code without it. I wasn't brain dead. I'm not gonna make my average time tonight. Regardless, at. Okay, now let's say time. Time to cool. Time. House. I mean, yeah, yeah. But time that. Oh, that's fine. This seems so inefficient. That's fine. We'll manage for now. Okay. So that's the. All right, I'm calling it for the night. I gotta go to sleep.